how to get voice chat in Roblox, the updated version. So here's what you want to do. You want to log into your Roblox account, click on the gear icon in the top right, and then go into settings. Now from here, if we just go into communication, as you can see, I don't have voice chat, but if you want to get voice chat, you will have to verify your age here. So under personal, make sure you set your correct age. You need to be over 13 to use voice chat. And here we'll just need to click on verify my age. So it's gonna ask you to sign into your email or provide an email and your password, and you will need to begin verifying your age. So you can use driver's license if you have one, national ID, passport, or residency permit. What you are going to have is a national ID or an ID in general. So you want to click on national ID here, and you will just provide your information here. You need to take a picture of your ID. So this is the method of verifying your age. And once you have verified your age, then you will have voice chat on your account. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub if it did, and I'll see you next time.